Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Backpacktrader Trading Room for Wednesday, August 14th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, set that aside. We have a crude oil inventory report session coming up at 10:30. The market is open. I was busy watching the activity and not the clock. All right, we pick up a long trade on soybeans. I'm going to go to target 2 with that. Because target 1 is only five ticks. And there's money management. Two positions at target 2. Stop now at 69.5. YM is flat. Crude was a little difficult this morning. Got a couple of minutes left for micro NQ. Unleaded. Nine o'clock start this morning. Our trade was a long trade. Tested the 50 EMA and then came back up. Hitting targets 1 and 2, trailing all the way up to just shy of target 3, 783 from the entry at 721. So that's 62 ticks on the trailer, 29 or 46 on target. So 100 plus tick success, one and done this morning. Keep an eye on short trade on the micro NQ's gone too far now. It's too close to the entry point when you're marking it up. We are at break even. But we also are not in our trading window yet. We just hit our trading window now, 4 minutes after the market open. This looks like it's probably a valid short. Touched the stop and the entry, but it looks like it probably went up to the stop and then came back down to the entry. And setting up to be a nice trade so far. Assuming we had plenty of time to get into that. Yeah, 18 seconds on the bar. So I would say that's target 3 and 4, and that will stop us out right there. Stop would be 14.7. No, 047, I'm sorry. No. Yeah, 046 looks like it would have been the stop. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, 046 would have been the stop. So that's a win. And we do pick up the long. That's gone to money management. Micro NQ. Just looks like it hit money management on the nose. Soybeans trade. What has it done? It hit money management, stopped out for break even, and now is in a new long trade. And just hit target 1, so we will be power quitting on soybeans. 2 and done. So we pick up 4 ticks or 1 point on the initial trade. This one looks like it's going to be fairly, 7 ticks on target 1. And our stop will be at 70 3/4. Long trade on the micro Russell as well. This one's at some full stop out. One win, one loss. We did stop out at break even on the micro NQ. Looking for target 2 on soybeans. Second trade. First trade was a break even. Didn't get to target 2, so we didn't get any targets. And there is a short trade. Avoidable so far on micro Russell. And there is the entry into the short. $3.7 to target 2, so this trade has a pretty good sized wick on it, and that's big enough to move our target into target 2 rather than target 3. YM going long, stopping and reversing to short. There was our long. And come back to the short at 903. So stop and reverse adjust to 01. Key level brings it to 899. And we definitely triggered into that. pick up target 1 for 22 ticks, and we trail out to 886 for another 13 ticks. So we pick up 35 ticks. What was our loss now? Entry was 21 to 99. We lost, that's 22.44 ticks. Down 7. So we take, we take the long trade. It does another stop and reverse for us. And then we'd pick up a full stop out on that trade, on the short trade. There we go. $9.28. To 904. 908 is the plotted. Stop and reverse takes it to 906. And because it's a stop, we do adjust the key level. So that's good. 28.04, another 48 tick loss. And we go 04. Let's see. It's going to be the full loss plus 4. So 32 ticks, 64 ticks. So 51, 120, 115 ticks down. Now we pick up a long trade that just hit money management. Target is 21. Micro NQ stopped out for a break even and then went short. A little wick on the second bar, so definitely in the trade. That picked up target 2 and about a target 1, just shy of target 1 trailer. So that is a win. So we have a break even and a win on Micro NQ. We got a just a couple of 3 tick loss. Call that a break even trade. So we have a win, a loss, and a break even on the Micro Russell. Okay, YM picked up its 21 tick target, so that brings us down to 94. And just stopped out for 947. Entry at 931, so 16. Brings us down to 78 down, and we're now short. YM moving around this morning. And that's already money management. And target. That's a good sized target. How fast was that? 14 to 20. Okay, yeah, we should be in that. It's a 12-second bar. You have to look at it. Could have been too fast to deal with. 39 ticks to target. Leaves us exactly 39 to go. We did get to target 2 on soybeans. Still at break-even stop. Target 2 is worth 12. That's 19. 23 ticks in hand so far on the session. Micro NQ with solid long trade. It's like sure looks like it just made target 2. So that is a second winner there. Yep, that is a second winner. Break even, win-win. And our stop at 0.72 and a quarter. Micro Russell with a couple of with a loss and 2 break evens. It's 3 break evens, 2 losses, and a win. And that's our 6 trades. So we are done on the Micro Russell. Should be well, that's going to be close. Break even transitioning to short on the Micro NQ. Looks like right at the break even. Stop 72 and a quarter. Short entry 72.20. So 1 tick difference from the break even stop to the. And that one also goes to money management. And breaks in, stops out at break even. So 2 quick break evens on the Micro NQ. So we have 3 break evens and a win. No, I'm sorry. 2 break evens and 2 wins. Yeah, that's where we are. 2 break evens, 2 wins. All right, YM stopped out on the short. Looks like that 906. From 927, so 21. Down 18. We pick up a long trade at 914. That's a 35 tick target 1, which we've hit. So we are going to be POQ on this trade. Power of quitting. We're about 17 ticks positive so far. Making our target right there. And we'll see where the trailer goes. loss, and a win on Micro Russell after our trade plan was complete. Soybeans is still in its long. We will be done when this trade completes. Done with the YM when it completes. We've got 2 more trades we can take on the micro NQ. Pound Aussie I'll have to go back and look at. We took a couple of losses and now we've got a small trade that's a winner. Target 3 would have been our first actionable target. 3 positions coming off there for 13 pips apiece. YM to 939 for the stop. And now 944 and 950. No, that's not 950. Still 944. Looks like it's going to go to 949. And soybean stops out 2 additional ticks. 2 remaining positions. So we get 25 ticks on the session. 6 1/4 points. And we are at 949 on the YM. Long trade. Looks like that probably entered on the micro NQ. That looks like it's about to go to a full loss. Yep, there's the full loss. 39.5. And that's exactly where we and now we go through it. Short trade, last trade of the session. Trade number 6 on the session. That is our maximum trades on the trade plan. Oh, target 2 at the session low on the micro NQ. I am now up to 959 on the trailer. Our entry was 914, so we have 45 ticks so far. Target 4 on the pound Aussie. and a break even on the micro NQ. So we get two wins, three break evens, and a loss, which should definitely put us positive on the micro NQ. That trade plan is done. I would have the stop on this pound Aussie trade at 402. Entry was at 401. We have targets in hand, so I'm not going to leave risk on the table. Just for the trailing position. So we got 39 ticks at target 39 pips at target 3, 17 at target 4 is 56. And we have one in hand on the trailer. We've had several losses as well. YM stopping out. You can play it either wait for the stop, or you can take the short entry as an exit point. But at least 62 ticks positive on the session. Just took us a few trades to get there. Stop on the pound Aussie about to come up to 404. All right, so 8:30 start time. But we did have news this morning, so we did a 5-minute stand down. So our first trade is this long, and that takes a full loss, 14 pips times 5, so we're down 70. And we can take the short, it takes a full loss. That one is 22 for 110. So we're down 180 pips. And we have 56 in hand, and we did move up to 404. And now to 409. So pound Aussie is the only thing we have left. We can watch that for another 15 minutes. And then we'll transit. I'll close this session down and open up the crude oil inventory report session. Stop move up to 414. Realized loss of 124 pips so far. We got 13 pips on the trailer at the moment. No crude oil 10 a.m. mini session because of the inventory report today. A 100 pip run would be quite, especially considering we're already going through the session high. It's would be a lot to ask for. More likely, we'll need additional trade or trades. Take up to 6. Crude this morning on the 9 a.m. session took essentially a break-even short, or a break-even stop and reverse. Started with this long trade here. Stopped and reversed on this short. another stop and reverse to the long. It took a full stop also. The trade's not big enough to do an additional 3 ticks on top of the stop and reverse, so I would have just kept it at 52. And so target 4 would have been your only target at 12 pips, 12 ticks. So 52 from 56. Okay. 8 tick loss on the first trade. Call it a break even. We lose 15 for 30, so we're down 38. And then we have a 3 tick adjustment here. 2 for the stop and reverse, 1 for key level. And so our risk was 23, 46, and 30 is 76, and 8 is 84 ticks. Tough day on crude. Hopefully the inventory report will do better by us. All right. Pound Aussie up to 417. 16 pips in hand on the trailer. Another 5 minutes we can track this. It looks like it's kind of slowed down. Yeah, came down to test the balance line now. Solid up bar. See if it continues. Micro NQ falling through, setting new session lows. As the Micro Russell's also at session lows. YM actually in positive territory, heading back up toward the session high. It's set around 5 minutes till 10, 15 minutes or so ago. one more pip on the pound Aussie. So now 17 pips in hand on the trailer. Right at target 4. About 2 more minutes and we'll close down this stream. Looks like we'll pick up another tick at least on the next bar closing on the pound Aussie. Come up to 419. That is the most likely result. The bar is going to have to move up, or the balance line will have to move up 3 full pips before we'll move up to 22. Balance line currently at 21.2, which would give us a trailer of 19. Since we trailed 2 pips off the balance line on the most recent closed bar. Having trouble pushing up through that session high was set. And it's time to let it go and take a look at our crude oil inventory report. So we'll bid everybody farewell with this stream and be back in about 10 minutes. See you shortly.